Around the world, direct air technologies emerge as a potential solution in a quest for carbon neutrality. It helps in removing carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere. Currently, there are 19 operational plants worldwide to capture the CO2. The total direct air capture capacity in the world has increased by 2 times in a span of 3 years. A recently published report by Niti Aayog says that India will require an investment of around $100 to $150 billion in the coming decades for carbon capture, use, and storage. India is currently the world's third largest emitter of CO2.
In the IEA report, as far as I remember, in the cement plant, they said around 15%. Steel and cement plant. You know, the CCUS is able to capture only 15%. Yes, 85% into the atmosphere. So for that, direct air capture comes into the picture. The money that has to be spent on carbon capture by these companies, it will, as of now, it will sit in the expenses section. So unless and until somehow some financial change, some financial instrument is able to make that expenditure into an asset, things will be difficult.
Direct air capture technology differs from other technologies which capture CO2 from the industrial sources. Also, unlike other methods, it does not require a large amount of land. The captured CO2 can be used as a raw material for a range of products that require a source of carbon such as beverages, chemicals, and synthetic aviation fuels. Industry experts believe the current prices of technology is very high, which hinders its wide-scale applicability. A startup in this technology would require an investment of around $2 to $3 million for a period of 2 to 3 years.
There are a number of technologies, but the bottleneck, the problem is the scale. Engineers or startups should concentrate on the scale side. If the technology is not able to process the right amount or the required amount of air from which CO2 will be removed, we will not be able to reduce the price.
The UN Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change's 2018 report indicates that CO2 emissions need to be cut by 45% by 2030, compared to the 2010 levels. In 2021, the US committed $3.5 billion to establish 4 direct air capture hubs. Major companies which are involved in the methods are Climeworks, Global Thermostat, and Occidental, among others. While the use of technology is necessary to control or reverse carbon emissions, environmental experts believe we need to look at other nature-based solutions as well.
You need to find, local solutions. Local solution which is fitting that nation. And that nation may have different needs. Of course, modern technologies will help us in a big way, but we need to find localized solution and possibly something which is from the people. And of course, we need to scale them up. That is one of the major challenges.
Industry experts say to enhance the efficiency of these technologies, a common framework regarding carbon credit needs to be created to reduce the overall cost of the technology. This is Saurav Kumar reporting for CityCast, Bangalore.